Magandang hapon po. Good afternoon, sir. Salamat po. Kasama ko po yung mga containers po natin from various sectors para po sumitin ang kanila po yung
Dito na lang tayo. Sige na, abot na. Abot na.
Verified complaint for impeachment signed by 17 complainants. Duly verified.
Hold. Hold.
As I said, five grounds for impeachment under the Constitution and also the rules of impeachment of the House of Representatives and 24 articles of impeachment ang enumerate and discuss under those four basic grounds for impeachment and duly endorsed by Representative Percy Saldana. Nabasa ko na po kanina yung mga complainants kanina as assisted.
Baka po ulitin lang po natin. Nakatayo naman po dito sa harapan yung complainants. Pakilala na lang po muli tayo. Simulan po.